There are trillions of cells in our bodies, and each one contains a parcel of important information. From the colour of our hair to our risk of developing certain diseases, the information that determines all of our physical characteristics can be found in our DNA. And there's a DNA molecule inside the nucleus of every single one of our cells. But stretched out, a DNA molecule is about 2 meters long, while cells, as we know, are very small indeed. So how does a DNA molecule squeeze itself into a structure 10 times narrower than a human hair? Well, just as you couldn't fit 10 pages into an envelope if you scrunched them up and stuffed them in at random, the DNA molecule fits because of the way that it's organised and folded. We have discovered that faults in the folding of our DNA can have huge consequences for our health. We know, for instance, that it can cause rare blood diseases. But we also know that if we can find the fault, it might be possible to fix it, and to eliminate the disease that it's caused. In the laboratory, this concept has been proven to work. The next step is to find faults that cause other, more common diseases, like diabetes, and see if they too can be corrected at a molecular level. For patients living with a disease linked to the way that their DNA is folded, a cure of this kind is still some way away. But with this significant first step, endless possibilities unfold. Join us at the Royal Society's Summer Science Exhibition